Welcome to Ponce, Puerto Rico's elegant second city brimming with colonial architecture, culture, landmark, and coastal charm. From upscale resorts to boutique stays and value hotels, here are the top 10 hotels in Ponce described with location detail, outstanding feature, and pricing insight. The first one is Ponce Plaza Hotel and Casino. Located in the heart of Ponce Historic District overlooking Plaza Munoz Rivera, Ponce Plaza Hotel and Casino combine a restored colonial mansion with a modern tower. It offers elegant guest room, a rooftop pool, casino, and on-site restaurant. Guests love its historic ambience blend with contemporary service. Expect rates around $150 to $170 per night, often including breakfast. The second one is Hilton Ponce Golf and Casino Resort. Situated by the Caribbean coast just a few kilometers from downtown, this beachfront resort features two outdoor pools, a golf course, tennis court, and family friendly water slides. Its expansive avenue includes four restaurants and a large casino. Popular with families and leisure travelers, pricing typically range from $185 to $210 per night. The third one is Holiday Inn Ponce and Tropical Casino by IHG. Located on the Ponce bypass near local beaches, this casino hotel offers a full-service spa, outdoor pool, lounge, and reliable business amenities. Rooms are clean and modern with on site entertainment and wellness facilities. This mid range property averages $145 to $160 per night, often praised for value and convenience. The fourth one is Aloft Ponce Hotel and Casino. A Ponce Western Bypass, Aloft Ponce blend contemporary loft style design with ease of access to the airport and local attractions like Cerrelas Castle. Rooms are tech forward, bright, and spacious. With a game room, bar, and small casino on site, the average nightly rate is around $180 to $200 per night and appeal to younger travelers. The fifth hotel is Boutique Hotel Belgica. Tucked within Ponce Historic Zone near Plaza de Gato, Hotel Belgica offer intimate, restored colonial room with traditional decor and exclusive service. Its boutique ambience and proximity to museum, cafes, and walking tour make it perfect for couples. Prices generally fall around $110 to $130 per night. The next one is the Fox Hotel. Housed in a beautifully restored Art Deco theater building in downtown Ponce, the Fox Hotel merges historic flair with modern amenities. Each room reflects the building's cinematic past with bold design touch. Just steps away from museum and plazas, it is a favorite for unique stay at about $110 to $120 per night. The next one is Hotel Melia Ponce. Facing Plaza Las Delicias in the city's historic heart, Hotel Melia is Puerto Rico's oldest continuously operating hotel. The colonial style building features classic interior and simple yet comfortable rooms. Ideal for history lovers, it is often priced between $120 to $140 per night, offering a nostalgic and elegant stay. The next one is Caribe Hotel Ponce. Located just a short drive from Mercedita Airport and Playa El Duque, Caribe Hotel Ponce offers simple, clean guest rooms and a relaxing courtyard. It is a good place for travelers flying in or exploring nearby beaches. Nightly rates typically range from $150 to $165, appreciated for affordability and ease. The second last is the Place at the Sea. This peaceful seaside property sits on the bay a few miles west of the city center, offering cozy rooms with Caribbean views, a hummock-filled patio, and a clean lounging vibe. perfect for travelers seeking serenity near the water but away from the urban hustle. Rates are usually around $100 per night, often praised for tranquility and comfort. The last one is the Hotel Noiva Magico. Located around a mile from the city center, this well-kept mid-range hotel offers clean rooms, palace access, and friendly service. Ideal for budget travelers or those attending event in Ponds. The rate is very accessible, around $85 to $95 per night, without compromising on convenience or hospitality. There you have it, the top 10 hotel in Ponce, Puerto Rico, from cultural retreat to beachfront resorts and cozy boutique stays. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more Puerto Rico travel insights, safe adventure in Ponce.